Welcome to IT-Conductor. In this tutorial, we'll walk you through the process of creating and scheduling automated SAP HANA reports using IT-Conductor. This functionality is perfect for Basis team members who need to reduce their manual workload and ensure consistent report delivery. On today's agenda, we have the following topics. Let's start with the prerequisites. Before creating and automating the delivery of your HANA reports, you need to make sure that you have already added a HANA system for monitoring to your IT-Conductor environment. We have a video dedicated to how to set it up, and it will be linked down below. Once you have a HANA system correctly monitored in IT-Conductor, you can move on to the next step: creating a new schedule. Let's begin by setting up a new schedule for our HANA report. Log in to IT-Conductor and on the main menu, go to Management, Automation, Schedules. Here, you'll be able to see all the previously created schedules. These are useful in IT-Conductor to run all types of reports and activities. To create a new schedule, click on the plus button. In the Create Process Schedule screen, we're going to fill in the following fields. First, give it the new schedule a short name and a description. In Organization, you can select one if you've set one up. If not, it's okay to leave this blank. The field workdays is used if we want to run a report once on a specific day. For now, we can leave this blank. If you need the report to be skipped on defined holidays, check the Observed Holidays box. If not, leave it blank. In time windows, we're going to specify the time ranges during which the schedule will be active. Just click on the plus icon and choose a time for the window to start and end, then save. The formulae field refers to the frequency of the scheduling. For example, if you want to run a report on the second Tuesday of each month, you will fill up this box like this. Another example is if you want to run the report only on a specific day, only on the months of the first quarter of the year. Overall, this scheduling tool allows you to be very specific about the frequency. The next field is Instant Removal Age. Here, select for how many days you wish the report instances to be available after it's run. In the Instance Owner field, choose a user to be the owner of this schedule. Context mode determines the method for applying context. In this case, we'll select the single option, which will activate these next two fields. Context class is the type of system relevant to the report, and here we'll select HANA system. And in context object, we'll select the exact HANA system where this schedule will apply. From the drop-down menu, we'll see the list of HANA systems that have been previously added to IT-Conductor for monitoring. Now, click on the plus button to save. Creating a new report definition. On the main grid, navigate to the chosen HANA system. Then click SQL Jobs. You'll get a screen with a list of report instances. Clicking the plus button will prompt a screen to create a one-time report. To create a reusable report, let's select the Templates button, then Create New Template. On the new SQL script template screen, let's fill in a name and description. For database, let's choose the target database where we'll execute the query. For now, we're going to skip Schedule, Plan Start Time, and Start and End windows because we'll be assigning a schedule later. Check Deliver Log to specify the recipients of the report. Deliver On specifies the conditions under which the log will be sent. For example, any, failure, or success. Next, we'll write a recipient email. or choose one from the drop-down menu, as well as a CC recipient. In Deliver Log As, we'll specify how the log is delivered, either as an attachment or inline in the message body. Next, write a message in the delivery message box. Now, we'll write the query for our report. If you check the echo option, it will print the SQL statement in the report output. Let's leave this checked. Select the output type, either CSV, HTML, or text. Check Preserve Formatting to maintain the original layout on the output file, and Wrap to control that the long lines in the output are wrapped. If unchecked, it'll be truncated. Finally, the query timeout is the maximum execution time allowed for the SQL query before it's terminated. By default, it's set to 180 seconds, but you can change it if you want. Check that everything's correctly configured with the report and click the plus button. Assign report to schedule. We'll be redirected to the SQL script templates screen. Here, go to the template you just created and click on the schedule icon in the tools column. Check the schedule we just created and click on Save. Now the report will be sent to the assigned recipients on the specified schedule. That's it. You've learned how to automate SAP HANA reports using IT-Conductor. For more tutorials and support, visit our previous videos or check out our wiki documentation. Thank you for watching.